Okay, hello friends, so welcome back again. Now I want to show you how to bind your withdrawable wallet address on BCycle. Now what is BCycle? Very simple. It's a platform where you can earn daily interest on your USDT investment, starting from at least from $10. Look at the package quickly. Let me show you. Okay, you have different packages. You have VIP 1 that is $10, VIP 2 that is $90, VIP 3 is $60 and all that. So there are so many packages here. Now, once you have made investment, instantly you'll be able to see the interest dropping. Like that VIP 1, you see the interest there is $1.2, VIP 2 is 10.4, VIP 3 is 40.30 and all that. So you will see it instantly dropping. So after every 24 hours again, it drops and all that. Now, if you are going to make withdrawal, one good thing about withdrawing here is that you can withdraw from $1. So you don't need to wait for too long. Now, but before you do that, there's need for you to bind your withdrawal address so that once you put your withdrawal request, everything goes easily. Now, how do you do it? You come down here at this particular page where you have electronic wallet. You click on it. Now click on Add to. Now in adding, you are going to choose, because the system pays with USDT. It can be USDT BEP20 or that of TRC20. So the question is, which one are you using? If you are using BEP20, you now know, you just click here to put it. If you are using TRC20, so you'll be able to know the one you are using. Let me assume I'm using TRC20. So I'm going to click on TRC20, and that's what I have here. So I'm going to put in the network address. So what I need to do, I go to where I have my my wallet that I want to use. I'm using ByteGate. So on this ByteGate, I click on deposit. Now, you know your own wallet, just do the same thing, whether it's Binance or whichever one. So I click on deposit. Just pay attention. Okay, I choose USDT. Now the system is going to ask me for the chain, particular chain. Remember, over there I've already chosen TRC20. So look, this is BEP20. The minimum I can deposit is $0.01. It's okay. So TRC20 is this, the same minimum. So I copy this TRC20 address. Now I go back to this place and I paste it. Make sure you don't put one, let's say BEP20 here and put another address. It will not work. So now I have to put on my transaction password. When you are registering, if you are watching our previous video, you are not only putting login password, you also have what we call transaction password. So you must have known that. If you don't know it now, you are getting problem. So that's why you shouldn't forget that. So let me put my own right now. So I put it and it's very successful. So you can see it's successfully done. So this is exactly how to bind your wallet address. So that is very, very simple. Now, if you are going to be part of this project, please look at the link on the description part of the video, join and start earning daily interest on your USDT investments. I wish to see you up there. Thanks for watching.